Today, I want to dive into a topic that's close to many of our hearts: Alzheimer's disease and dementia. It's a reality that many of us face, either personally or through loved ones. But what if I told you there's a simple yet powerful approach to potentially reduce the risk of these conditions? Yes, you heard me right. And it all revolves around something as humble as seeds. Now, you might be wondering, seeds? Really? And I get it. When we think of brain health, we often picture complex supplements or high-tech therapies. But the truth is, nature has provided us with some incredible nutrient-packed little powerhouses that we can easily incorporate into our daily lives. So, let's break it down. First off, let's talk about omega-3 fatty acids. You might have heard that these are essential for brain health, right? Well, guess what? Flax seeds and chia seeds are among the richest plant sources of omega-3s. These tiny seeds are like little brain boosters. They help reduce inflammation, which is a key factor in the progression of Alzheimer's. Picture this. You're adding a tablespoon of ground flaxseed to your morning smoothie or sprinkling chia seeds on your yogurt. It's that simple. But that's just the tip of the iceberg. Let's not forget about antioxidants. We often hear about them in the context of skincare or general health, but they play a crucial role in brain function too. Sunflower seeds, for instance, are packed with vitamin E, a powerful antioxidant that has been linked to a reduced risk of cognitive decline. Just imagine snacking on a handful of sunflower seeds while you're binge-watching your favorite series. Not only are you satisfying your cravings, but you're also doing something wonderful for your brain. And then we have pumpkin seeds. These little guys are not just for Halloween decorations. They're rich in magnesium, zinc, and iron, all vital nutrients for brain health. Magnesium, in particular, is known to support learning and memory. So, next time you're carving pumpkins, don't toss those seeds. Roast them up and enjoy a delicious, brain-boosting snack. Now, I know what you might be thinking. But I'm not a fan of seeds. Well, here's the beauty of it. You can sneak them into almost anything. Blend them into smoothies, toss them into salads, or even mix them into your baked goods. It's all about finding creative ways to incorporate these tiny treasures into your meals. And let's talk about the bigger picture here. Alzheimer's and dementia aren't just individual battles. They affect families, communities, and society as a whole. By making small dietary changes, we're not just investing in our own health, we're also contributing to a larger movement towards better brain health for everyone. Imagine a future where fewer people have to face the devastating effects of these diseases. That's a future worth striving for. So, as we wrap up today's discussion, I challenge you to take a moment and think about how you can incorporate seeds into your daily routine. Whether it's adding them to your breakfast, using them in your cooking, or even just keeping a bag of mixed seeds in your purse for a quick snack, every little bit counts. Let's be proactive about our brain health and spread the word. Share this video with friends and family, and let's create a ripple effect of awareness and action. Together, we can make a difference, one tiny seed at a time. Remember, it's not just about living longer, it's about living better. Thanks for tuning in, and I can't wait to see you in the next video.